Good evening everybody, and welcome to day 21 of lockdown. We're up to 3 weeks. Can't believe we're up to 3 weeks. So yeah, last night we set the camera in the same spot as we did when we caught that really good fox footage. We lowered the camera down a little bit to hopefully get some get a different angle and get some better shots. So as you saw from last night's video, there was really windy, and this morning when I came to pick up the camera, there was a lot of evidence of that in fallen branches. So we were being quite wary of branches above us last night, and it's a good job we did, because there was quite a few on the ground this morning. So I came to pick up the camera this morning, and again it looked like most of the food had gone. Got back to the apartment, and previously I had 24 video clips. Well, last night, this morning when I checked the camera, there was over 45 video clips. I couldn't believe it again. We thought the previous night was good, this night's even better. So what I'll do is I'll let you have a look at a few of those clips, but because there's so many, I'm going to put a link up in this corner for a video showing the full fox footage. It's about 10-12 minutes long, so if you want to watch that in all its glory, you can do, but for now I'll just show you a few of the best bits. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the highlights of last night's fox footage. I really enjoyed it. I was really pleased when I got the camera back and checked the footage. If you want to watch the full length version, then I will put a video link here that you can watch. But if you enjoyed tonight's video, then give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that icon here or the one down there, and of course click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Right, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.